So today we're at Chase's house riding some dirt bikes. We're going to be teaching Chase how to ride a dirt bike. So Chase, show yourself. Yeah, Chase is a new rider, so it's going to be a learning experience for him.
Alright, so Lincoln's going to be showing us how to do it.
So Chase, this is your clutch.
Yes, sir.
This is your brake. How do you think you're gonna do?
I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. Might be a little bit, a little scary, but
I think it'll be fine.
we're on a good old Yamaha YZ125. I think we'll be fine.
All right, so pull the clutch in, kick it. All right, now just let the clutch out easy. All right, so we just got him a little used to the bike, so now we're gonna go try to hit some jumps.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go. This thing is running pretty good. I mean, they do say they run their best before they blow up, but I'm hoping that's not the case. I'm just running circles, I'm getting dizzy. Woo. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Gotta get the quick throttle.
Ring
I
ding
don't know
ding
what you
ding.
even call that.
I don't know.
But the
There now.
the wheelie boys inspired me. That little whip right there.
You're freaking flying.
I need to get my speed better on this one, so I
Yeah,
don't.
say you go hit that ramp. That was perfect.
It wasn't too bad. It's just a little puddle at the end, but a little water.
So we got this muffler back here from Lincoln's Suburban that we beat a couple, like, what was it, months ago?
Couple months ago.
Just a few months ago. and so I'm gonna be out there holding the Sawzall with Lincoln Films.
Yeah, so basically,
We're gonna toss that under.
yeah, so basically Henry's car is right there. We're gonna go get my old muffler. We're gonna stick it under this car, and Colby's gonna hold a Sawzall, and it's gonna look like we cut his exhaust off, even though we actually had one right here. All right, Colby, grab it quick. I'll go get the Sawzall.
Yeah. It's not gonna fit under his car.
Wait, put it the other way around, so.
No, that's how it goes. Oh wait. It's as long as his car. Dude, it's not gonna fit. It doesn't fit.
Hey, just put the. Actually, no. Bring it in. Put it in the. No, that's gonna take forever to cut.
No, it's not.
Oh, that thing's dull. No, we actually don't. We actually don't have much time. We gotta slide it in the back, so he'll see the thing sticking out. What we got here is the exhaust sticking out the back.
We're gonna tell Henry it's a new mod. It's gonna give him 10 horsepower.
Right?
This is gonna be funny, dude. I hope he doesn't like actually fall. Like he's obviously he might fall for it, but like.
All right.
Hey, what's up? Lincoln's bike won't start. We think it's out of gas. We ain't got no gas. It ain't got no gas in it. Yeah, just come back. We'll hop in the other Razor once you. Or no, you can hop on your bike and you can come down here and we'll hop in that Razor or something. All right. Hurry up.
Act like you're pulling the exhaust out, and then just have that sitting right there.
It won't come out.
Oh, dude, I'm going.
No. It's gone.
Dude, Henry's gonna be so mad.
I don't know, but I'm gonna have to pay for it. That's the thing. You're not gonna have
Oh, dude, he's not having. He's not having. He's not. He's not good. Oh, shoot. No. No, dude.
Wrong the wrench! It's not. I don't know what would be better, boots or socks. Probably socks. So these two are the contendants because me and Alden are gonna do the challenge, but neither of these two want to. Of course, the blondes, just typical. They're gonna run down to the yellow turn sign down there, right? And the winner doesn't have to do it, and the loser does. He's taking stuff out of his pockets in case he eats it. Let's see how this goes. I think Henry's got a fair chance because Lincoln hasn't done anything athletic since like freshman year basketball.
It looks like he knows what he's doing now.
You run down there.
Yep. Oh, he's just...
I'm going home.
How do you feel to be the loser of the race? And now you have to eat the Sprite and the bananas. Or drink the Sprite, eat the bananas.
Alright. Let's do it.
No bananas for me.
Dog. Colby! Stop eating bananas! Alright. Colby's...
Isn't that my job?
He's hungry. He's all... Alright. Stop it. Alright, say one. Say one.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Damn, bro, it's not a contest.
You more banana guy.
Wait, is it first to throw up or last to throw up wins?
There's gonna be a 10-hour video just for this in a circle.
No!
No drinking.
Came on my nose. I got blood on my nose. Man, that hurt.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
That sucked, bro.
We can't drink. We're told you the rules.
That wasn't a rule.
Yes, it was. I have it on camera. Oh. And you have you have to chug the Sprite. That's what the rules say.
Oh yeah, it just came out my nose. Damn.
Well, let's get off to drink as much.
While they're doing that, I'm gonna enjoy my single banana.
Oh, how's it on camera, man?
You good?
Nice chill, one banana.
Enjoying my banana. I gotta get it open. It's kind of hard with one hand.
Why do you look like that? Why do you look like that?
That's it. Hurry up. No.
It's not an eating
So?
contest. I'm not gonna eat it.
I look like a 20-minute video.
What?
Oh, come on. Think a little bit more.
No, it's not, bro.
You need to know it's not.
Shut up. Shake it. No.
Come on, eat some more.
It's not even close to half.
Oh my lord.
Oh, I can feel something coming up my throat.
Oh, I bet you could.
Hey, drink this Sprite.
Yeah, Drink!
Is that half like it?
I think you got a little bit more to go.
Understand when
Oh,
What?
geez.
The only way you can tacos if you throw up.
Bro.
Alright, that's half.
Yep.
Me too.
That was wet.
Oh, it was wet, dude. Oh.
Hey, there's no way to say something about your stomach when you have
Bro, you barely ate 2 bananas. You were the last
I
person.
ate 2 bananas.
Barely.
What do you mean barely?
This guy, watch out. Oh, dude. No way.
All set, round 2. Feel the potassium.
Next one, call me 2 push-ups.
Max noted. No way.
Can I blow my nose with this?
Sure.
Oh my goodness. I'm done. I'm out.
Ah! Damn it. In 33 seconds.
Dude, you're gonna have to speed some of it.
Oh, no.
Alright, today we're going to be riding some dirt bikes. The snow is finally starting to clear up. So we're going to go heading into the woods and see if we can find some hills to climb. So let's get at it.
Let's go.
Fantastic.
good?
Dude, my finger got smacked by a freaking the tire spinning. Keep your on. You're all good though, right?
Oh,
That was broken before.
pretty good though.
Yeah, I'm fine. But my tire, freaking finger got
Jesus
smacked by
Christ.
a tire. Pretty good so far. See, you can see the tire at the freaking rocket stump. Dude, it got like slammed by that rock. Did you see that?
Uh, 6,000 subscribers, I'll get a reverse mohawk.